I want to talk to you today about standard sizes and symmetry and just having things look good in the closet. So here's what we've got. This particular one, in an earlier video, I talked about running it wall to wall across here and then coming off of it on each side. The second thing I want to talk about on this one is just utilizing those standard sizes and symmetry. So this one has a total of 8 individual sections, but we have 6 different sizes on it. So we have very few sections that are the same size. When we do lots of different sizes, we don't have things that are interchangeable. They're only going to fit, this one's 22 and it's the only one in the closet that's 22. The only place that shelf will fit is right there in that section. If they want to add a shelf here or move something around, it's not adjustable like that. Additionally, it just looks different. It's not symmetrical and smooth and even. Got this guy down here. And so let me show you a difference here. So the total hanging space in this one is about just under 27 feet. So I went ahead and I redrew this for training purposes here. First off, we went wall to wall across the back. And then everything worked out. So we are, the closet's 99 inches long, and so we can get this piece of top shelf in one piece, this one here in one piece, and this one here we'll make 2 cuts on site. Very easy to install. Second thing is everything was 23.5. So this one here, let's see, this is straight across on the back. We're wall to wall, 23.5, 23.5, and then we cut this one to fit. We're 29.25. We could interchange that size there if we needed to have a little bit more medium hang. But this gives us these shelves are interchangeable in this section. They might have something large. They're going to take that shelf out. They can then put it over there. Additionally, we have a total, in this layout, we have a total of 9 sections. 8 of them are all the same 23.5. So here with the safe, we were 22, 23.5. It just moves it over an inch. And we got 23.5, 23.5. This vertical panel is 25 inches from the corner, well within our 24 to 28 inch spacing that we normally do. And on the flip side, we were able to clear the alarm box. This long got a little bit bigger. In the other one, it was 20 inches, but we 23.5, and then we're 23.5, 23.5. So from a production standpoint, this job is much, much easier. We're going to cut all of these rods. They're all going to be the same size. These spaces are all interchangeable. So if they pull a shelf out of here, or they call us and they need a shelf, they're all the same size. There's not much of a chance of guessing it wrong. And it just looks even. This side looks even compared to the back wall. And this side back here, all even and symmetrical. So those are just some things that I like to do to keep it that way. I'll build it either way. Installation, this one's probably going to be about a half hour faster on installation for us. And we're probably going to spend about 15 minutes less in the production department preparing it. So that's almost an hour of labor that we save in the process by going to standard size, as well as these sizes here optimize out really well and will actually reduce the amount of waste we have. The difference between these two closets, this design here has about 26, a little over 26 feet of hanging, and the other one was just under 27 feet. So the difference that we're talking about is about that much hanging space in the overall scheme of things. So just some thoughts, put that in your toolbox. Thanks.